Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the problem of notifications on WhatsApp. So for that, go to your phone settings, and in your phone settings, when you scroll down a little bit, you will see this option of app settings. Just go to your apps and then go to manage apps. And in manage apps, click on the search button and then search for WhatsApp. And after opening up this, you will see this option of notifications here. Just click on it, then make sure that you have allowed the WhatsApp to show notifications, and all you have to do is just click on this button. Maybe it might be disabled on your device. Just enable it and you will be able to see the notifications. And even if this doesn't work at all for you, you can always factory reset your WhatsApp, and for that you can go back, and here you will see this option of storage. Just click on it, then clear user data and cache memory, and after that your WhatsApp will be factory resetted. But before doing this factory reset, make sure that you have backed up your WhatsApp so you can retrieve all your WhatsApp chats, videos and photos. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.